Hi friends, welcome to TutusFunny channel. Today I am going to teach how to install and configure the Docker in your machine. So I am going to go to that respective website of Docker. You just go to the Google and type Docker desktop. Okay, Docker desktop. Here this one is Docs Docker. Click on it. Here there's a if you have what is the operating system you have. If it is a Windows operating system, you go to that Windows option directly. Okay. If you have any Mac user or Linux user, you click on that option and you can get installed the Linux operating system upon your operating system. Okay, so that you have to choose your corresponding operating system. My operating system is Docker. Click on it. Windows. So click on it. So yes, that install Docker desktop on Windows. Okay, these are the system requirement. Before you are going to install Docker, you have to follow up the system requirement. So you have to write the WCL. So the task to install the WCL. So whether it is installed or not in your machine, you can check it. Run CMD. You can type WSL. Okay, so that if it is not installed, the operating system could not start because this requirement switch is not installed. So what you're doing is simply you can get WSL dash install. So now you will be able to see it is starting install the WSL. Okay, so that first year before you have to install, you have to follow the system requirements. Here, this is a must. Okay, you don't go and straight away you can't install it. First you have to you have to since follow up the instruction. Okay, so you have to follow up the instruction or what are the instruction you have. So after that you can get desktop install exe. You have to install it here. This one WSL. This is a very important step. You have to follow up. Okay, so these are the requirements. You have to go through that requirements. Okay, so that while you are installing the Docker, this is a must. Okay, this is installing. Okay, installation completed. Okay, so this installation is completed. Now it will be move up to Docker desktop Windows. So click on it. The first option, this one. Okay, so I'm going to click on it. If I click on it, it is downloading. So to wait until the download has been already downloaded. Okay, so that I'm going to stop it. This is how we have downloaded. Okay, so I'm going to go to that downloadable. I'm going to find the downloadable exe in my downloaded folder. So I get Docker. So we ask that Docker desktop, so that I have to have download my downloaded Docker. Okay, here this is for exe. Okay, the Docker exe. Okay, so now double click on it. Right, so now I'm going to click yes. Okay, at the shortcut, if you want the shortcut visible on your desktop, you keep make checkbox on. If it is not, you can uncheck it. Okay, so it is all the your packages here. You will be able to see the unpacking. Everything is you will be able to see while installing the Docker. You will be able to see that one. You have to wait until the Docker installation is completed. Now I'm going to go to the Docker desktop, open it. After restart the PC. Now it's installed successfully. You will be able to see, you can see the message installation successfully. Now I'm close up. Okay. Now it's close up the Docker. So now I'm going to go to that, find the Docker desktop, click on it. Okay, you can see that now the Docker is working successfully here. I already I have logged into my Gmail account, so that it's my Gmail account is here, it connected. So the Docker engine here is coming here like this. Here this one recovery. Okay, so Docker installation file, whatever, this one to cover. Okay. Start the Docker, turn on. Okay, now the Docker starting here, the engine is started. You will be able to see that the engine is started. You can see here, simple started, you can see here. Okay, it's loading. Then this engine is loading here. If you get the error, if you restart the machine, it take care of it. Okay, you must restart the machine, this error go away. Now you can see after restart the machine, you will be able to see that everything's are loaded successfully. This is how that Docker works. Okay, so the after install that one, this how it works. We should restart the machine. It is work for me. Thank you for watching. Okay, you can see over here there is a if there is any problem, you can check it. The virtualization is not on your machine, that also you will be able to check it. So Control Alt Delete, press all together on your keyboard. Taskbar, you can get the taskbar. Here you have to go to the performance. Here you will be able to see CPU. It must enable the virtualization. Okay, if it is not to enable, it won't work. If it is disabled, you guys know there are a lot of videos on YouTube. You will be able to check the videos how to enable the virtualization. Go to the BIOS and check it. Okay, so that you must enable it. Okay, that is the troubleshooting you have to get while problem with stuck with running the Docker. Thank you.